Merong primary care gusto ko papasok.
Okay. Naka-ready ka na? Okay.
Okay, stand by. Please po.
Good morning and welcome back to the PSA Sports Forum live here at the conference hall of the PSC building right inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Now we will be talking about the sport of handball, no?
Yes.
Partner,
It's an Olympic sport.
yes, at marami pa tayong matututunan tungkol dyan with our guest. I'm Randy Caluwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, PSA. Sana magkakasama pa rin tayo sa ating PSA forum sa ating Facebook page. Ganun din po sa 918 kHz AM band Sports Radio, Radyo Pilipinas. Ako po si Judith Carinal.
Judith, pasalamatan natin ating mga sponsors in behalf of PSA President Nelson Beltran ng Philippine Star. Maraming salamat po Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus.
Sa unang pagkakataon, kampiyon ng Southeast Asian Beach Handball Championship ang Pilipinas. Yan po ang ating Philippine Men's Handball Team. Bronze medal naman ang ating women's team. Pero marami rin yung beses na nagpo-bronze naman yung ating team. So kasama po natin two from our Philippine handball. We have our player from the men's team, walang iba kundi si Rob Andrew, okay, Agatarap o Agtarap, yes. RA, and then we have our coach, actually conditioning coach, si Coach Gab de Guzman.
Sa
Welcome to the
women's
PSA for both, for men and
for
women,
both.
kasi conditioning coach, and he is also helping sa technical aspect of the game. So Coach Gab and RA, welcome to the PSA Forum. Good morning. Yes,
Good morning
please.
po everyone.
Congratulations.
I'm Coach Gab.
I'm RA Agtara po. I'm an athlete and Coach Gab is strength and conditioning coach for both teams po.
Ayan. Bago natin pakwento yung nangyari sa Asian Handball Championship, Asian Beach Handball. Gusto lang muna para sa kapakanan ng ating mga nanonood and magbabasa ng ating mga balita. Can you, siguro si RA, mamaya may makakwento kay Coach Gab. Si RA, paano palaruin itong handball na ito? No? Anong klaseng bola and how to score? Yan. Ilan ang players, both sides?
So yung beach handball po, yung duration ng game is 20 minutes lang. So 10 minutes per half and then consists of 10 players only. 10
Per-
players.
per team?
For the whole
Five aside,
per team.
five aside.
Hindi po. 4 po actually. 4 per possession. So we have 3 defenders and then 1 goalkeeper. So that's 4. So consider
Kaya,
2 yung...
kaya apat na players at saka isang
Four.
keeper.
No sir. Tatlong court defenders and then 1 goalkeeper.
Four players
And then
each.
para po makapasok yung offense ng team, kailangan po lumabas ng players ng defense para switch kumbaga sir.
Okay.
Okay. So, 4 lang po dapat yung lagi nasa court. And
Okay.
then, so we have spin shot. Pag nag-spin shot po kayo, or we call it 360, may 2 points. So, kapag di naman po nag-spin shot, 1 point lang po.
Mhm. So how do you score that ball? Ano yung klase ng bola?
Yung bola po parang rubber po siya.
Rubber.
So, iba po siya sa indoor.
So binabato siya.
Binabato po. So, pag speed, kailangan mag-shoot sa goal, may goalkeeper.
Ano yung klase, ano yung itsura ng goal?
Same po sa goal ng futsal.
Futsal.
So parang tong basketball and football, di ba?
Mhm. So instead na sinisipa, you're using your hands to score. Yan, okay. Now, Coach Gab, para
Yes,
ikaw ang magkwento.
Okay po.
Can you share with us yung kwento paano nanalo yung team natin sa finals against Vietnam? Ito raw Vietnam, napakalakas na team.
So yun po, no? During our match sa Vietnam, parehas, during the single round robin po kasi, parehas po kami ng Vietnam na 2-0 yung standing. So, it was a matter na kung sinong mananalo sa match po na yun. yun po yung magdedetermine kung sino yung magiging gold medalist sa Southeast Asian Beach Handball Championship. So, the first set started na up po talaga yung Vietnam by 2 points.
Ano score yun?
16-18 if I'm not mistaken. Up yung Vietnam by 2 points. Tapos, na-block po ng goalkeeper namin. Tapos, nag-time out po yung head coach, si Coach Demel. Nag-time out po siya. Then, nag-design po siya ng play. There's only 3 seconds remaining dun sa ano.
Second half na yan?
Sa first half.
First half.
Tapos, nung in-execute po yung play, it was RA po who made the game-tying score doon, which resulted in a tie for the first set. So pag magkaaroon po kasi ng tie sa isang set sa beach handball, nagkaaroon ng golden goal. Na whoever scores the goal first,
Sudden death,
yun yung-
basically. Parang sudden death.
Yes, parang ganun po. So, whoever scores the goal first, yun yung mananalo sa set na yun. So, in a golden goal, no need to do a spin shot. Pwedeng normal shot lang kasi all you need is 1 point. At hindi na siya kailangan 2 points. Ayun po. So, actually, nung pagka-jump ball po ulit, nakuha po namin, tapos nakascore ng 1 point yung teammate ni RA. Then kami nakakuha ng set na yun. But during the second set, it was still a close match. Pero Vietnam po nakakuha ng second set, which resulted to a shootout. So parang ito yung sa football na penalty shootout na 5 players will shoot. Yan. Tapos, ang first shooter po nun was Vietnam. Then na-block po ng goalkeeper, 1-on-1 yung shot ng Vietnam nun. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na po na hanggang dulo, hindi nag-miss yung team natin. So behind na talaga yung Vietnam nun, start pa lang yung shootout. Which resulted yun, in a win ng match against Vietnam.
So final score is...
During the shootout, the final score is 9-8.
Oh.
9-8.
Wow, 9-8.
Yes. Kasi,
Very close, no?
So,
yes po.
regulation, anong tied at what the score?
Tied po at
1-1.
1-1
Set
po.
for the Philippines and then set for Vietnam. So the third and final set was decided via that
Shootout.
shootout.
Kaya naging 2-1 na po.
Yun. So, thank you, Coach. Mamaya balingin ka na.
Okay.
Ari, anong feeling mo? Sa'yo ba naka-design yung play na yon? Yung... yung...
Actually, hindi po. The play was designed for our specialist, si Ryan Santos. Sabi po ni Coach Samel na ipasa mo kay RA just a touch pass, balik mo agad. And then, pag open si Toto, pasa mo kay Toto. Yung left winger po namin. Pero nagkaroon po ako ng... nagtiwala sa akin si Ryan na sabi ko, pasa mo sa likod. Tapos, nagtiwala po siya, pinalapit niya ako konti para may duelo. And then, I had an open lane, and then I made the shot, closed my eyes, and the rest is history.
Wow. So, how long have you been a member of the Philippines?
I've been member for 6 years na po. Pero this is the first tournament, international tournament, and in 6 years na nagkaroon po ako ng offense.
Oh, nice. Dati, anong role?
Defense.
Defense lang.
Wow.
So,
And actually, dapat po reserve lang talaga ako kasi na-injury yung isang teammate namin, si Jacob Bakay. So, I had to play for the
Destiny.
position.
Destiny.
Step up.
Okay, next question.
Pakita nga natin yung mga medal coach and RA. Yung gold muna. Yan, yung gold. Yan po yung gold medal na nakuha natin for the very first time. Kasi in previous competition ay puro sila tayo bronze, di ba? When it comes to Southeast Asian Beach handball competition. Naka-silver din tayo when we hosted. Yes, di ba? Beso Dumaguete.
Na nag-host po, for SEA Games po ba?
Handball, the Southeast Asian handball. Beach handball, di ba?
So, yung 2 CHAPS participation po namin, palagi pong bronze.
Bronze, oo nga.
Tapos nung SEA Games
SEA
po,
Games,
nag-silver sila.
Yes, oo. Kaya lang, come this SEA Games, hindi a beach handball, ano?
Yes po.
Seemingly, it will be an indoor. Pero kahit ganon, papaano tayo sasanlig dito sa inyong gold medal winner ito sa isang Southeast competition, Southeast Asian competition.
So, magandang experience po to, lalo sa teammates ko. Kasi yung team po namin composed of may mga students, may mga nagtatrabaho. So, magandang fuel po to na pag-boost pa sa kanila, lalo sa aming mga players na mag-prepare for the SEA Games. We just need a little help from all the tulong na pwede po namin makuha for the preparation for SEA Games.
Yes. Yes, Coach?
Just to add lang din, so, yun nga, as RA mentioned, meron, our lineup kasi is beach, but same din yung lineup namin for
indoor.
And actually kami lang yung team na gumawa po nun. Yung other Southeast Asian countries, lahat sila magkaiba yung lineup for beach
Indoor.
and indoor, yes. Pero ayun po, like what we did sa beach, we believe na we can perform at a high level this coming Southeast Asian Games. Kasi parang sa, for example sa volleyball, may mga nag-i-indoor din, tapos may nag-beach volleyball din. Same din with handball. Most of them kaya mag-beach and indoor. We just really need enough resources and support para mapagpatuloy po namin yung program namin ng maayos and makapag-deliver kami this Southeast Asian Games.
Sino head coach ng Philippine Handball?
Ang head coach po for the men's team is Coach Jamel, Coach Jamel Pangandaman. And for the women's team po, si Coach Aurora Adriano po. Si Coach Jana Frankelli po, siya po yung nag-oversee ng buong
Siya yung director, okay.
Team
National Team Director.
Yes.
Okay, and I think, di ba, member din siya ng Philippine Handball Federation Board, kung hindi
Yes.
ka nagkakamali.
Yes.
Okay. Ano naman kwento? Just short kwento dun sa bronze medal win naman ng women's team natin.
Okay po, so share ko lang din po. Actually, our women's team, nag-compete po sila last year sa World Championship in China. Tapos, ayun po, for this year's Southeast Asian Beach Handball Championship, binigyan po namin ng exposure yung mga bata namin sa team. So, half po ng team, puro bata. So, we want to give them the experience kung anong feel pag nasa tournament. So, ayun, we're glad na we're able to bring home a bronze medal after beating po yung Singapore and Indonesia. And ayun, it was a tough match between Vietnam and Thailand. Pero ayun po, sapat na rin naman po yung exposure na nabigay namin for women's athletes.
So, yung din karamihan sa kanila, pag-SEA Games din, indoor.
Yes.
Okay, yes.